dear followers, I am again back with my 6th episode of stenography learning. Today, I will tell you the use of N and F as hook shape. Actually, we have already learned regarding the L and R hook, and these L and R hook are called initial hook. When the N hook and F hook, which I am going to describe here, is regarded as final hook. This N and F hook will never be used intermediately. It is used at the last end of the stroke, and that is why these hooks are called the final hook. Now we will start what's are called the final hook and how these are used. This is the line of writing. We will learn how to use N hook first, and then we will describe regarding the F hook. With regard to straight strokes, N hook is used finally, and it is used at the left direction of the stroke. The hook is added at the left direction of the stroke. For example, this is the T stroke, T, or D. You can write D stroke. D stroke will be deep in writing. How we will use? With an example, it will be clear. The word pen, P-E-N, pen. So far we have learned this word is written like this. This is the line of writing. This is P and N, pen. P, this is the P stroke, and here from we have written N stroke, and intervening vowel is A. P plus A, that is E sounds as A plus N stroke. P-A-N, pen. This is the stenographic form of pen. 10. This is line of writing. 10. T and N. 10. Gen. Gen. This is the line of writing. This is Ga, A vowel and N, gen. In this way, we are obtaining the stenographic forms. But now our decision is to concise the stroke, not to elongate, and we will write the N stroke as a hook shape. Okay, to concise the stroke. Now pen, the same word pen we will write. We will write first P stroke, then add the hook at the final of the stroke. This, and we have added the hook at the left side of the stroke. Left side of the stroke is called, when hook is added at the left side of the stroke, is called N. This is pen, the concise form of this. Earlier this was the pen, but now we have obtained, with using the hook, this structure, and this is called pen. Okay, in this way we will write so many words. Den, D-E-N, den. D stroke and N hook, den. D, A and N hook, den. Train, T-R-A-I-N, train. How we will write? This is the line of writing. We have already learned TR, TR hook. How it is written? TR, TR. This is the TR, R hook and the T stroke. TR, this N. T-R-A-N, train. Okay. Men, M-A-I-N, men. How you write? Men. M stroke, and with the M stroke we will write hook, final hook. Men. M-A-N. Okay. We will write another word, fan. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. How? Fan. F-A-N, fan. Actually, the sound is sounded as a vowel. This is a vowel, first class vowel. F-A-N, fan. Okay. Now it is clear that N hook is written at the left side, or is added at the left side of the stroke finally. Now F stroke. This is the F stroke. When this F is sounded finally, it will be used as hook, such as tough, T-O-U-G-H, tough. How we will write it? This is the line of writing, T, R and F. T, R and F. Tough. This is the stenographic form of tough. T, R and F. Now it is clear that F hook is written at the right side of the stroke. Horizontal stroke, and vertical stroke. This is written at the right side of the stroke F. But in case of writing with the horizontal stroke and vertical stroke, we have to see and we have to keep in mind one thing, that is, for example, K double E and kin. How we will write? K and N, kin. Okay. In case of horizontal stroke, we will write the N hook at the end in this way, that is clockwise direction. Okay, this is clockwise direction. We will write N hook with clockwise direction with regard to horizontal stroke. Regarding F hook, now I will tell in case of horizontal stroke. In case of horizontal stroke, the F hook will be written anti-clockwise direction, that is ka. This is K plus A vowel, okay, A vowel and F. This is ka, F hook, and finally added. We can write it normally ka. This is also the ka, but when we will write concise form of the stroke, we will use hook, and this will be like this, ka. If we write the hook in this direction, that is clockwise direction, then it will be read as kan. Ka, K, A and N, kan. Okay? That is, F hook and N hook will be used in case of vertical stroke and in case of horizontal stroke. In both cases, it is used finally. No intermediate use of the F stroke or N stroke is there, and it is not permitted. Now, in case of curve stroke, how we will use the N hook and F hook? Curve stroke, such as M, this hook is called N hook. N hook. But F hook, in case of horizontal stroke, there is use of F hook as a large hook. No small hook will be added with M or horizontal stroke to represent F. we have already learned regarding the F hook and N hook. Now we will give some examples to write the both hooks. Fun, F-U-N, fun. F hook and F stroke and N hook. Fun. Van, van. V hook and N hook. Van. Clear? Plane, P-L-A-I-N, plane. We have already learned that P and L, P-L and this N hook, plane. Oh, sorry. N hook, that is this, in this direction. Plane. Now we will learn some phrasography and phrasograms. What is phrasography and what is phrasograms? Actually, earlier we have learned logograms and grammalogs. Just like logograms and grammalogs, in stenography there are two forms. One, phrasography and phrasograms. What is phrasography and what is phrasogram? Phrasography is the union of more than one words that will be written without lifting the pen. That is called phrasography. And the stenographic form of phrasography is called phrasogram. Okay. So far we have learned we can write so many phrasography and phrasograms. I have done. This is three words, union of three words. I will write without lifting the pen. And how I will write? This is the question. We have already learned I, diphthong. Have is a grammalogs. And done we will write with the stenographic form. I have is the grammalogs. This is the form have. V on the line. Have is the grammalogs. And done, D and N. I have done. I have done without lifting the pen. When we will write, then it is called phrasograph, and this is called phrasography. Why we will write in this way? We will write the phrasography, so that we cannot lift the pen time and again. just to make up the time at the time of taking dictation. I will do. I will do. Will, this is the will form. L, upward L and initial hook. Will. Do. D on the line. Do. I will do. I will do. Now, how we will write it? I will and do. These three words I will write together without lifting the pen. I will do. This is the structure of phrasography. Okay? You can write and practice in this way, and up till then I will come back again to give you the more and more illustrations with more and more forms. Thank you everybody. Until then, be safe and keep yourself safe.